Come with us on a trip to visit hair factories in Southeast Asia. So every now and then we like to visit our suppliers to do strict quality control and make sure that the processes are running smoothly. We want to make sure that we continue to provide you ladies with the highest quality of hair available on the market. So we're going to show you a little bit of what goes on behind the scenes at a hair factory. This clip and the clip before it is part of the sanitization process after the bundles have been collected from the donor. And this is the process of the making of lace frontals and lace closures. As you can see, this is very tedious. Each strand of hair is attached to the lace with this small needle. This is the process of the bulk hair or loose hair being sewn onto a weft to create bundles. This is the process of the raw bundles being bleached to platinum blonde 613. This process is also very tedious, and even after being bleached to 613, the hair retains its quality, has lots of beautiful shine and bounce. Now this tool ensures that the hair is smooth, is running in one direction, and is tangle free. These are some raw hair bundles that are air drying after being washed and sanitized. We hope you enjoyed this video and feel free to drop any questions you may have below. Thanks for watching.